In every step, chances, opportunities, and challenge is at stake. Going back to school when you are old is a challenge. Acquiring knowledge and skills is a chance of enhancing the human capital in us. And we are very thankful and grateful for this opportunity to be a part of this program, a life-changing opportunity. In view of this, we, the graduates and a beneficiary of this program, would like to extend our profound gratitude to our very own Honorable Congressman of the 1st District of Davao Oriental. Sir, we are very thankful for your unending support to this platform, for making us valuable, and for a way of increasing our earnings. It's a gift that cannot be taken. Ipadayon jud ni sir, kay dako ni ikatabang sa amo, labi na kining mga nanay nga nagsigilag hingot anay. Ning graduate na pod ni sir sa pagkamaritis, kay naa naman milingaw. Our warmest thanks also to our Honorable Mayor, John Marco de Anghirang, and our Honorable Councilor John May Labori, hasta sa kanan staff na si Ma'am Lorna, who as always, a silent player in the making of this project a success. And to the service provider, Ma'am, headed by Ma'am Jane Trinidad, thank you for sending two good mentors, Ma'am Kanda and Ma'am Brillantes, who with all their hearts imparted knowledge and skills to the neophytes and now passes the assessment. Kung aon man Ma'am wa makapasa, yaan tungod kay ikulbaan tapos yalibo. But there is assured, someday, mga expert yan. Ma'am Jane, truly, we are blessed because your institution was chosen as our service provider. Because you cater our real services that even heavy rains and possible roads can stop your people from going. You all allow us to focus not on allowances and toolkits, but on the knowledge and skills imparted. To the TESDA family headed by Engineer Amparo, Hapit Mama Amparo, your department answers the needs of the needy, the unskilled but becomes skilled. The sleeping nation turns into a productive, working generation. Sir, keep up the good work, because you are not only helping a family, but you are building an income-generating nation. To my classmates, thank you for the camaraderie, the laughter, the sharing, and those hard times that we experience. I know we are going to miss each other. Ayaw na ito pagsayang-sayang niyan na katigam, kay makaisabyan ng kanato paninabuhi. Practice lang, good. Ma-expert gihapon kita. Just be patient in every wrong, because in there is learning. Thank you again, Honorable Congressman. Salamat ay padayon na gayon ngini. And God bless us all.